Hello everyone. Welcome to your English second class of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, in our previous video, I explained you the story of lesson number 4, The Hero of Harlem. Now today in this video, we will start exercises. Okay, so let's begin our class. First exercise given on page number 56, quick answers. Fill in the story map given below. Okay. So here you have to write down title, The Hero of Harlem. Then where does the story take place? So story take place at Haarlem, Netherlands. When does the story take place? A long time ago. Who are the people in the story? Hans, Hans' mother, and Mr. Jensen. These are the three characters in the story. Then problem or conflict. What happened to the character? There was a hole in the dike and Hans plugged the hole with his hand. Then solution or resolution means how the problem was solved. Mr. Jensen saw Hans and called a group of people to repair the dike. This is how the problem was solved. Okay, so this is your answers of this exercise. You have to complete this exercise in your book only. Okay, and write neatly. Now next one. Exercise 2. Complete the following sentences. First one, dikes were built so that seawater does not rush in towards the low-lying areas. Okay. Now B. Hans' mother sent cake and bread to Mr. Jensen because he was an elderly man and he had no family to take care of him. Then C. Hans enjoyed Mr. Jensen's company because Hans loved to listen to Mr. Jensen's stories. Now D1. As he walked home, Hans was very cold and wet. This is why he was thinking about a warm dinner and a cozy bed. This is answer number D. Okay, you have to complete this exercise in your book only. Now next one. Reference to context. Third question. While the wind turned the windmills and the rain watered the tulips, the strained and swollen dikes kept filling. Now question 1 is, apart from the dikes, which two other things mentioned in these lines tell us where the story is set? So answer is, the windmills and the tulip mentioned in these lines tell us where the story is set. B1 is, what does the author mean by saying the dikes were swollen? So the author meant by saying the dikes were swollen that the dikes was getting filled with water. Okay, this is answer number B. Now C part. What did Hans wonder when he saw the dikes? Answer is, Hans was worried and wondered who would repair the dike if something went wrong. Okay, so these are your answers of question number 3, all the three parts. Now question number 4. Question number 4 given on page number 57. My lad, said Mr. Jensen, first I will take you home and then I will tell everyone of the boy who saved the town. First question is, where was Mr. Jensen when he said these lines? Answer is, Mr. Jensen was standing near Hans and the dike which had the hole. Okay. Now question number B. Who did Mr. Jensen call my lad? Why did he want to get him home? Answer is, Mr. Jensen called Hans my lad. He wanted to get him home because Hans was out in cold for a long time. Now question number 3, C1. This line shows that Mr. Jensen was, three options are given in this question. First option given is angry with the boy, second one proud of the boy, and third one scared of the boy. So the correct one is proud of the boy. So tick in this box. Okay, so answer of C is proud of the boy. Now, question number D. What do you think Mr. Jensen told the people of Harlem? Answer is Mr. Jensen would tell the people of Harlem how the young boy Hans saved the entire city. Okay, so these are your answers of question answers and exercises. Now remaining question answers and exercises we will complete in our next video, and in homework you have to complete this work in your notebook. Okay, these question answers in notebook and exercises that I have given in your book in neat and clean handwriting. So this is all for today. Thank you.